Hi, I'm Livia and this is my brother Miles. We're here to talk about a special item in the Market of Hope catalog for India. Miles, will you please remind us where India is?
Sure thing. This is the US, and this is India. For just $8, you can purchase a mask and glove kit for someone in India who can't afford it, so that they can be safer during this pandemic.
Not only can the people in India not afford to catch COVID, they also can't afford the hefty fine that they receive if they are caught outside without a mask or gloves on. Miles, how do you plan to earn money for Market of Hope?
I'm gonna weed for my mom. What are you gonna do?
I am going to be pet sitting for our neighbors.
That's a nice one.
Miles, do you know what the gloves and masks looks like?
Oh, I do.
Okay, so come to Market of Hope to purchase a mask and glove kit for India.